What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well on this hump day as I sit down to get another daily trade recap out of the way on a day that I took no stock trades, no option trades, only futures trades. Yep, took nothing but futures trades today. That was going all the way back to last night into this morning. Had a meeting this morning, ended up pulling my phone out. TRADOVATE has a mobile app, so pulled the app out, looked at it, saw something I liked, took a trade, small green trade, and pretty much everything today was small green trades, just base hits. And those base hits added up to a green day. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump over into TRADOVATE and take a look and see what we did first of all. And take a look at our new layout. So I have been using the web-based version of TRADOVATE, which is the browser-based version. I just switched over to the desktop version. I like the desktop version because it gives a little bit more real estate, a little more screen real estate. So with this layout, I have it set up on the left-hand side, MES. So I have a dome, or an active ladder as I like to call it. And then a 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart for MES. Then on the right side, 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart, dome or active ladder for MNQ. And I can trade one or both of these at the same time and be watching both of them. Also have a watch list right here for the current contracts. And then over here just shows you the positions. And after 5:30 or around 6 o'clock, TRADOVATE will remove all of your positions that you were in. And then they will start a new listing from 6 p.m. on. So these two trades right here, I took after 6 p.m. Took a loser on MES, 1750. Took a winner on MNQ, 3650. So pretty much 2 to 1. You can see that on the chart for MES right here by this down line, and it is red. That signifies that that was a losing trade because it is red. Because you can be going down like this, taking a short, and it'll be green, and it'll tell you that it was a winning trade. And then you come over to MNQ, and you see the same thing. You see this up line. This one is green. It's telling you that it is a winning trade. So once this deletes these positions out of here, I had just been kind of stuck. Like, all right, I guess I just won't be able to see those orders. Not the case. What I could do is I can come up here where this little drop down arrow is. That white box is just blocking out my account number. But I can go there and I can click this little setup button. And I can come here to orders and click go. And it'll show me all orders for the calendar day, June 7th. I'm not going to do that because on that particular table or chart, it shows my account number. And I don't really want to show that. So what I will do is come up here to performance. It's already clicked. And I'm going to click go. And look at what TRADOVATE gives you. A plethora think I said that word right. Plethora of information. So today, all trades, gross P&L, 104.50. $20 in commissions. I made $84.49 today. That's on $122 green trade, $17.50 red trades. So one red trade today. See that over here on the chart? I got a 90% win rate compared to a 9% losing rate. Gives you some other stats, some other graphs. And then below that, it shows you all of the orders right here with buy times, sell times, and time duration. But one other thing I found when I was on this screen is if I click orders and click go, and then I click download, guess what I can do? I can import those trades into TRADERVUE. So I did that, and we'll take a look at them in TRADERVUE. But before we do that, I want to take a look. Let's see what we've done this week. Go. So this week, gross P&L 273. That's on $81 in commissions. Total P&L 191 with a 67% win rate. Not bad at all. Again, give us some graphs, some charts, and then it'll show all of the trades for this week. And then we'll go this month. Let's see. Go. This month, $368, $99 in commissions, and we made $269.07. So TRADOVATE is going to charge you some commissions and some fees. Whole object of the game is to make money so that these fees and commissions, even though they're fairly hefty, you're making money. It's a part of doing business, and trading is a business. So just a part of the fees that's associated with it. On this, we made $623 and we gave back $255. Gotta kind of work on that. Average winning trade, $20. Average losing trade, $21. Basically trading 1-to-1 for the month. So we need to work on that. But this is the key. With a winning rate of 71%, we could trade 1-to-1 and still be green, $269 after commission. So that's the important thing right there. That's the significant thing. But let's go ahead. Let's get out of here and let's go to TRADERVUE. Go to the dashboard. And you see, I have imported my trades for June 7th. I'm sorry. 9 trades, closed P&L, 104.50. We saw that. The good thing about TRADOVATE, it lets us know what we actually made. One thing that I do like about dumping my trades over here into TRADERVUE is if I go to journal, guess what it's going to show me? Just as if these were stocks. Max unrealized gains, max unrealized losses. So I can look and I can see, like on these 2 trades, I was up $20. I made $6.25 and $8.75 respectively. I was up $32.50. I made $20. Let's come down here to yesterday. Look at this. This one max unrealized 100. I booked all of that. That's good. This one never went in my favor. Bad trade. But look at this one. I was up $22.50. This thing went against me $60 and I lost $57.50. Ouch. This here, bad trade in the sense of, had I traded the chart, I would have got out at 22.50. I would not have let this pull back against me. This one here, I was up 62.50. I booked 45. So this is why I kind of like TRADERVUE, because it'll let me look at a little bit more of the details. And I'm sure if I go into the reports, it's probably going to show me a little bit more detail. So just wanted to show you that you can import your trades from TRADOVATE into TRADERVUE. And I just made a tag so that I know, and I'll instantly know when I see this right there. Instantly know that these are futures, and I'm only trading futures in TRADOVATE. But just wanted to do this quick video, just kind of showing you TRADOVATE. I'll get back to actually reviewing and recapping the trades tomorrow. I want to just kind of keep this one fairly short, fairly sweet, fairly simple. Just showing TRADOVATE, showing how you can import, export into, or not import, export. What are you talking about? Import into TRADERVUE, and also the information that you can get directly inside of TRADOVATE. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If so, please, please, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comment section. Like I said, I am actually loving futures. I will probably be doing more futures only days, especially if the market is doing what it's been doing. I'll trade these if we channel trading, if we are trend trading, it don't matter. And then I like it because I could trade it after hours. I could trade it, what is 9:17 right now? And I could take a trade if I want to. I'm not, because I don't like where things are sitting at on the chart, but I could. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. We will be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.